Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. No, you didn't have to. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring ding bell, ding ding. He's inside taking a rest, and I will support you back. Yes, I will. If this is not your first time with me, then hello. Oh, what's up, y'all? So I just wanted to come on really quick. This is gonna be a super fast video. Warner Beauty, you guys know Warner Beauty is one of my favorite beauty brands, period. And they sent me glow stick. My glow stick ended up melting, and they actually didn't have any in that shade, so they gave me credit for it, which is my foundation stick, my Holy Grail foundation stick. I got two products here. One of them is a hair product, and it's called the Extra Mileage. It's a hair refresher, and I've already used it. It's really cool, actually. It's not like a dry shampoo or anything, but it is it says get the most mileage out of your hair. Our revolutionary liquid refresher absorbs excess oil and provides natural looking texture and promotes healthier, stronger hair. Shake and spritz into the roots and the ends of the hair to gently give extra mileage. So this is what the product looks like, and I have used some of it. And you shake it up, you can see kind of the sediment down there, so you shake it up. It smells really good. It just smells, let me just spray it. It's really cool. I mean, it's not a very big bottle of it, considering that you're supposed to spray it all over, but like, it smells like supremely amazing. And it's not very expensive. I mean, it's not bad, and it was on sale on Mother's Day, and so I picked that up. So yes, and it's just like it makes your hair feel wet, but once it dries, it actually does give a lot of texture, and it makes your hair feel really silky and smooth and soft, and I love it. This next thing is my new favorite thing. Okay, this is my new favorite thing because I think this is genius, and this is the Play All Day translucent powder. That's what it looks like, and the packaging is gorgeous. It's this super shimmery, shiny, like rose gold pinky thing. What it is a compact, and there is a puff inside here, and the puff has setting powder in it. It is a touch up setting powder, or you can use it to set, and it is absolutely, it has sunscreen in it, you guys. It has sunscreen in it that is just amazing. So there's a crap ton of powder in here, like you can kind of hear it shaking around, and like this is what the well of it looks like. It's huge, and you just pop the puff back in there. This is so good for this time of year, and when it's starting to get hot. It's going to be 90 degrees here today in where I live, and having this like to put on before I go to the pool, and this huge compact that it comes with, I mean, that is a big huge mirror, you guys. That is a big mirror. Like, I could do my whole makeup with this mirror. So I just figured I'd show you guys this. This is really neat. It comes in like 4 different shades, 4 or 5, and they're all pretty versatile. I got the lightest shade, like translucent, but it does come in other shades for different skin tones. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. So love bugs. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my Warner Beauty little mini haul, and show you guys some cool products, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think about these things. They're like, I love trying different things, and Warner Beauty is amazing with coming out with innovative things. And that peel off mask, it was so funny. I haven't used it since, but it was super funny. The sun's getting to me now. But let me know what you think about it, and the concept of that powder puff with the powder being inside it and that huge compact. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you all, but I will not argue with you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.